Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and you're doing really good. Today we are going to make fish curry, but different from mostly how we make, because today we are mostly going to be using the fish heads. So we have bought like a lot of fish recently, and we have like my ammu has cooked out the other parts except for the head and a few other parts. So today she's going to be utilizing all these parts and making it into a delicious fish curry dish. So let's start. The first thing, like always, she's going to start by cleaning the fish. As you can see, she's removing all the unnecessary parts that are not eatable, and then she's removing the scales and everything. Then we are going to wash it very thoroughly. After that, rinse, then put salt, put it all over the fish, massage it just like it's old age time when he needs it. And then we are going to rinse it again, wash it really nicely, wash all salt so that it's really clean. Then we are going to add more salt, and this time we are going to add turmeric and red chili powder and also roasted cumin and coriander powder. Then nicely massage it again, make sure it reaches all the parts so that that part is like flavorful and tasty. Because when we are going to fry it, then put it inside the gravy, then it's going to have the flavor inside it because we already fried it. Then chop off all your onions and chilies together. My mom just used this thing, like I don't know what to call this, but this thing to like chop it all together, and it works really efficiently, so that's why we just use it, because it's really good. Then my mom is also going to chop off some tomato. Till then we are also frying our fish in this side. As you can see, the head is getting fried. Make sure all the side you fry it really nicely, and also like depending on how much you fry it, it is going to be crispy. That is all depending on you. If you like to eat it more crispy, then you can do it. We usually go for more crispy because we like that more, but it's absolutely your choice. My mom is also going to fry some potatoes, and she just like chopped the potatoes into long pieces. This just feels more better. Then take another pan, pour in oil and all our like the side onions and chilies in there. We are going to fry it. Add turmeric, salt, more salt, and then roasted cumin and coriander powder and red chili powder and also garam masala. Then we are going to add ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon, that's enough. Little bit water. Give it a good stir. As you can see, it's looking so good. Then we are going to add in our tomatoes. It already looks so delicious. You can add in like anything inside this gravy. We are just going to put in our potatoes that we fried earlier. And after that goes in the water. Not much, just a little bit. Then let it cook for some time. Then when it starts boiling, just add in our fishes. Very nice. We're just going to put it on top, and then it's just going to cook together. All the pieces that we fried earlier, 2 head and 2 normal. And then we are just going to let it cook. Finish it with some green chili and coriander. And there we have it. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.